Watch the coolest play in NFL history. Eagles versus Jaguars. Last play of the game with 4 seconds left. There are around 13 laterals. It's kind of hard to count because it's hard to tell where the ball's going. But there is a lot of them. That's for sure. Look, the lineman gets it. And then he gives it to something. And then number 47 gets tackled. Eagles win.